a simple pencil capture the worldwide handsome charm, today I am sketching BTS Jin using charcoal and freehand technique. But there's a catch. I lost the footage of the final details. Can the sketch still look perfect without seeing the last step? Let's find out. I always start by feeling the proportions. Without grid lines, it's all about observing the space between the features. They call him worldwide handsome for a reason. Jin has such elegant sharp features, so I'm focusing on the overall flow of his face first. Now we bring in the charcoal. Jin's hair has the soft layered look, so I'm using dark charcoal for depth. Watch how defining the eyebrows immediately brings out the expression. The most important part of Jin's sketch, the lips and the glow, I'm using blending stump to create very soft shadows around the nose. I'm building up the layers slowly to get the smooth skin texture. It's all about the contrast between the dark hair and the pale skin. Now moving down to neck and hand. I'm keeping the shading light here to keep the focus on his face. Portrait is finally complete. Does it do justice to the worldwide handsome title? Let me know in the comments what you think about the final result. Subscribe to Asian Art Galaxy for more BTS arts and drawing tips.